Struggling to add your LinkedIn to your Namecheap Hero section? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to connect it. Here is the plan. We will start in the editor, click through the hero settings, and link your profile in just a few clicks. It is simpler than you think. First, open your site inside the Namecheap Website Builder editor. This is the main dashboard where you manage everything about your site. If you have multiple projects, make sure you are in the one you want to work on. You will see your page preview on the screen. This is your command center, and everything we need is right here. Now, locate and click the Hero section on your page. The Hero section is usually the very first thing visitors see when they land on your site. It is that big banner area with your headline and sometimes a background image. It is the prime real estate of your website, so linking your LinkedIn here makes a strong impression. Just click anywhere inside that Hero section, and it will highlight to show it is selected. Inside the Hero settings, you will see a few different options. Look for the first highlighted area that lets you add or edit content. This might be an icon, a button, or a text field, depending on your template. Click on that first highlighted spot to open the menu. This is where the magic happens. You are essentially telling the editor, I want to add an interactive element here. Then click the second highlighted area to find the LinkedIn option. This is the specific spot where you get to choose your social link. The interface will show you a list of supported platforms, and you will see the LinkedIn logo clearly marked. Click on that option to select it. This is the direct connector between your Namecheap site and your professional profile. Finally, click Continue to save your LinkedIn connection. This confirms your choice and locks everything in. The editor might take a second to process, but that is normal. Once it finishes, your LinkedIn link is live inside your Hero section. And that is it. You have gone from a Hero section that felt incomplete to one that instantly boosts your professional credibility. Now, when someone visits your site, they can click straight through to your LinkedIn profile. That connection makes you look prepared, connected, and serious about your work. Thanks for following along. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. I will see you in the next one.